This is Bilal Suleiman from Work and Solution Company. Thank you so much for your appreciation. I will keep in touch with you guys to let you know the best ways to make money. Uh, Please like, subscribe my content, and please share on social media as well. Today, the second and the most significant lecture on Daraz is establishing a seller central account. So there are two types of accounts in Daraz. The first one is personal account. The second one is business account. Now, in personal account, you only need your CNIC number, mobile number, bank account details, address. And in business account, you need business registration number, legal identity name, entity and document, bank account details, and the address as well. We will make a video on basis of for the newbies to make an account with easy pesa. Okay, and I will also let you know how you can make an account through bank details as well. So we will continue on that. So therefore I just need to type in daraz.pk and click on sell on daraz. And then so this is the Daraz homepage. Basically you can see bio naked eyes. Now you can see a sell on Daraz with easy pesa. Let me just find out. I just click on that one. Okay, here we go. Sell on Daraz with easy pesa. Join now. Now create an account using a number. It does state me. So I just enter the number in and slide it below to confirm. Okay, and then so that phone receives the code which I need to put in. Slowly and gradually. Don't share your password or anything else, you know. Raffle code, you can type whatever. Okay, create an account. So it asks me at least eight characteristics, including one letter in capital, one number, and one symbol. So I just changed my password right now. Okay, and then click on create an account. Now this is interface. Over there I just need to type in uh, the store name, whatever you would like to be. And on email I just need to type in the email. First of all I need to send the verification code to my phone number. Over there I need to put in the verification code. I just type in and click on next. Now on email, or there I need to type in the right email address and click on send. So in the email you will get the verification code which you need to put in and then click on next. Remember that in e-commerce or these kind of stuff you need to use these things slow and steady, then you will win the race, you know. So I just need to type in the verification code right now. So here, we can put all the details of the bank. Now, just need to click on add products right now. And once I click on add products, it will take me to the next page. On the next page, uh, I need to put the details of basic information about the product. And so this is for the next class. I will let you know how you can create the listing as well, and how you can upload the products. All about for the lecture part 2, daraz, in which we seek the knowledge how we can make an account in daraz seller center. So in future I will let you know how you can upload the product, how you can list the product, these kind of stuff, and how you can search the product, and so on. So keep watching my channel, e-commerce per work and solution. Like, subscribe and share please. Thank you.